There she is, the damaged lady. Okay, we have to go to the other bridge, so we're going to the other bridge. I don't think you can get in front of it because because it could collapse. I'm in Paris, like you see, and it's a bit noisy. Yeah, so I'm in Paris Bercy and cycling to Paris Nord where the other train is. We're going to visit the Notre Dame in between. We're on the cycle lane along the river, the Seine River. It's busy here. A lot of bicycles. There it is. The towers of the Notre Dame. You really have to watch yourself here, people. I don't know, maybe they're extra confused these days because of what happened to the Notre Dame, but it's nice here. I can see a ship full of tourists. Going to have a look at the Notre Dame. All these disaster tourists, see? Like me. People don't look so stressed. Seem to be pretty relaxing actually. Not different than usual. There she is. The damaged lady. So here you can follow the cycling walking lane along the water. It's one of my most favorite parts of Paris, along the river. Apparently we're not allowed to go there. See, there's fences with police on the bike. Okay, we have to go to the other bridge, so we're going to the other bridge. It's close as well. It's hard to get there. This is our last trial. There's a lot of journalists here, a lot of colleagues of mine from different countries. No cars. There it is. Journalists. Yeah, I'm going to make a picture here. Here it is. It's still. I don't think you can get in front of it because because it could collapse. All the bridges are closed. Okay, well this is the closest I could get. It's very cozy here. You actually don't see that much from the outside. Very strong building, it's just unbelievable. It's still standing. And now I really have to hurry, go to Lite before I miss it going back home. There's a lot of glass. Our cameraman. See? I would really get it, it's so crazy here. Okay. Now we have to get back. Unbelievable, big amount of tourists. It's crazy. I thought I was bad. I'm a journalist, guys. I have an excuse. Oh, it's busy. I mean, it's crazy. Oh, Paris, one big mess. Look, all the police. Oh my God. charge for this. We call it ramptoerisme. This is better, a bit more quiet. Oh, and look how cute! See, this is the official bike way. This is nicer. My app Pocket Earth shows the nicest cycling ways. This is more quiet. Immer geradeaus. This is stressful. We're just getting some fruit now for the tellies. Very smooth, you know? It's a kind of... It doesn't really feel like cycling, it feels more like surviving. Now there we are, we're at the tellies and we made it really on time. 50 minutes early. There's someone here of the tellies that talks English really good, and he said we can go first so we can unpack the bikes nicely and slowly, then we can just sit there relax. Mad day in Paris. Mad day, 2 hours. Bye. Au revoir. See you next time. I'm going to eat my daddles. Ciao ciao. Au revoir. Thank you for watching this video. The next one will be about the keys. I suddenly was in Paris and I decided to make this video. I hope you liked it. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can do that below. Would be great because then I can make more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.